What's happening, people? Another day, another vlog. I'm here in Wolverhampton again. um, Builders are here working on the property. Just had the news today that the kitchen delivery will be here on the 18th. It's 15th today, so 2-3 days now away. We should get the delivery for the next new kitchen. Once the kitchen is in, then we should be able to fit it in 4 days, full speed. Just the new, I'll show you the new progress what we made inside there. Let me turn the camera around so you can see my screen. Alright, so let me take you around the back first. As you can hear, there's a lot of drilling, mixing going on. We had one side of the property left to render, which the builders are doing right now. Obviously our side is done, most of it, just one side left. They're working on it today. So that's what's going on. And the guttering, they're working on the guttering as well. Well, we've got another good news. At least the shower is here, so that's gonna go in next. And another progress what we made since yesterday is the new doors have gone in. Just waiting for the door handles now to go in. And just let me show you all the doors. Let me know in comments below, what do you think about the new doors. We're not gonna paint them, we're gonna keep them same color. So nice color like this with the silver handles. It look absolutely perfect. So skirting work is going on as well. So I'm just inside the front room of the house. So that's the door there. New doors been fitted. I'll show you the handles we're gonna use as well. These are the handles we're using. So there, look at that. Perfect combination. Yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think about the new handles and the new doors. And we're near completion now. The new door, the front door should have been here today. It's Friday. A little bit annoyed on that part, but the double glazing company, they have not delivered the door today. They're saying it'll be delivered on Monday now. It should have been fitted today really, so they've let us down a little bit, but then that's the that's a part of the trade, you know. Sometimes you can't just rely on people, even though no matter how hard you push them, they will push you back a little bit. So it's okay, we're still on target, we're still on track. People are already inquiring about our property. I show you the sign before as well. Because the sign we put outside, people are already inquiring about the property. I've had a few phone calls, people are interested. I've had one party come to view the house already, and they're gonna let us know. Another party, they have viewed it, they're going on a holiday. They're gonna come back next week, and hopefully they're gonna come and see the finished product, and then they are interested in the property as well. So my advice to all the developers out there, especially new in the trade, once you're near completion, you know your completion date, put a for sale sign up outside. and start generating the interest that way, well before completion, so you know how much interest there is for the property as well. Okay, so that's a good tip for today. And in the meantime, keep watching my channel. If you like the videos I put nearly every day, do like and subscribe to the channel, and do like the videos as well if you like them. And if you don't like anything, comment below, and I will answer all the comments. Okay, so have a good day, guys. And obviously it's a building site, the videos are not as clean what I want to make them. I know you can see the clothes hanging there, so that's builders clothes there, but they're just using this room to get changed and stuff like that. Don't blame them. Nobody would like to wear dirty clothes and sit in their car or van at the end of the day, so yeah, I don't blame them. So you see these in my videos, you know that this is what I do every day, day in, day out. It's all real, nothing is fake. There is no fakeness. I'm not just sitting in the office and blabbing my mouth. I'm actually putting my money where my mouth is. Okay, so I do this stuff every day, day in, day out. Investors, you want to work with me, just I'll leave the link below from website in the description. Just leave your details there, and any new starts, new guys want to learn property, also leave your details on our website and I'll be in touch. Okay, so have a nice day, and God bless you all. Hey everyone, what's happening? So I'm back again. I know it seems like a second I'm introducing again, but obviously recording at a different time now. And so gonna tell you guys something update about this day, Friday. My Friday, how's it going? It's going perfectly fine, good, but we had a little bit of a negative news, but we can turn it positive, which already been done now. So the gas connection, the gas meter, we needed a gas meter at one of our properties in West Bromwich. It's on yesterday's vlog as well, the house. And the engineer came to fit it, and I'm not going to name the company, but the company he came from, they gave him a job. They never told me anything. They gave him a job saying that he needs to fit a smart meter on my at our premises, at the house. But obviously we don't want a smart meter, we just wanted a normal meter, normal payment meter. And he didn't refuse. He said you're right. He said that he's gonna call the firm up, he's gonna call the gas company up, he's gonna ask them whether he's allowed to put a normal meter on, because they have told him to put a smart meter on. And my understanding, as far as my understanding goes, it's that if we need a normal meter, we can ask for the normal meter. If we need a smart meter, we can have a smart meter. And the companies, the energy supply companies, don't have a say in that, and they can't actually force anyone to have the smart meter installed rather than the normal meter. So I rang the company up. He went back anyway. He said that they're not raising the job, so I can't fit another meter. First he was saying he hasn't got another meter, then he said he's got a meter but he can't fit it because they're not raising the job. So I don't know what they're doing. Okay, but when I rang the company up, they're saying to me, no, we only install smart meters, it's in your contract, you signed the contract, and we're only going to install smart meter. I said to them that if you're only going to install smart meter, that's fine. First of all, I haven't signed any contract with you yet, so check your paperwork before you talk to me. And secondly, put it in writing, give it to me in an email that certain company with your name certain company only installs smart meters and they will not install normal meters on any premises in the UK. And I said then at that point I will go and find another supplier who will come and fit it for me. I got no issues with that. And straight away the person I was speaking to on the phone just changed. They said, oh no, what we're trying to say is we don't have them in stock. Few seconds ago they were saying they don't do it at all. It's in my contract, I have to have a smart meter no matter what. And when I said those lines, they said they changed straight away. Okay, we don't have it in stock. So I said, okay, that's fine. Why don't you order one for me? I'll pay for it. Obviously I'm paying for it, so just order one. When you got it in stock, come and fit it. It takes a long time, Mr. Singh. I said, that's fine. Let it take a long time, I'll wait. Passed me to another person, customer services, or they pay people who deal with the installment and stuff like that. That person is saying to me, oh, okay, why are you changing why don't you want a smart meter? I said, that's my choice. As a customer, I've got freedom of choosing that. Nobody's telling me what to install on my premises. I want to install the certain thing. If you can provide those services, go ahead, take my money, I'm giving you the money. Otherwise, just refuse and I go to someone else. But give it to me in writing that you can't install normal meters for gas. It's only smart meter. Oh, okay, what I'll do in this instance, one-off, I will install a normal meter for you. I said, no, I don't want you to do that. Not in this instance. Every time I ring you, any premises, if I want a normal meter, you have to give a normal meter. No, what I'm trying to say is in the future we have to do this. I said, listen, just install my meter. Your colleagues just told me that we got a long wait to order the meter. Let me check, put me on hold, come back to me. Oh, we can install it next week Friday. So there you go. That's energy companies for you, okay? Trying to force people to install smart meters rather than the normal meter. I think everybody should have a choice. And yeah, so that was a bit of a downer, but I've sorted it out now. So they're gonna come and install it next Friday, week from today. And I'm gonna call it the day now anyway. It's getting quite late for me because I have lots of things to do at home today as well when I get home. So yeah, I'm gonna call it the day. I'm at my offices in my bus company, and I'm just gonna see these people take their vans, go to work, and they have gone. I'm gonna call it the day. It's been a long week for me now, and not that I'm gonna get any rest tomorrow or tonight. It's just that I'll probably get home an hour early than normal time, which is probably 8-9 o'clock sometimes at night. Sometimes it's 7-6, so there's no fixed time for me. But yeah, you guys keep working hard in the meantime, and like I said earlier in the video, any support you need, anybody needs, I'm more than happy to help. So just leave me a message or just email me. Okay, so you guys have a good weekend, have a blessed Friday. If you are drinking, going out, don't drink too much, because you're only gonna have a hangover tomorrow. So take care. God bless you all. Peace.